Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from AI Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your password on CANDIDE AI. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in candide.ai and press enter. You will then be taken into the official CANDIDE AI website. Now from this page, click on the login button at the top right corner and you will be taken into the login portal. Now you can proceed with logging into your account and then changing your password from within, but you can also click on the Forgot Password button right at the login page to proceed with changing your password. Now after clicking on Forgot Password, you will be asked to enter your email address. So type in the email address that you used to sign up for your account and then click on the Reset Password button. You will then be asked to check your inbox. So log into your inbox and you will find an email from CANDIDE AI. Once you open up the email, you can click on the link within and you will be redirected into your password reset page. From the reset page, you can simply type in your desired new password and click on the Reset Password button, and then your password will be reset. Once your password has been reset, you can use your new password along with your original email address to log into your account on CANDIDE AI. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your password on CANDIDE AI. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.